The thing that people don't talk about almost like at all when starting a business online, a local business, small business, even a side hustle or passion project, nobody talks about Google My Business. And that's the thing that I talk about in this guide. Hey everyone, how's it going? My name is Jen Sargeant. I'm the creator of Digital Sargeant. I'm so happy you found this video. If you found this video, that means you're ready to take your passion project or side hustle to the next level, and I'm the girl to help you do just that. Before we get into today's quick video all about how to promote your passion project online, I kindly ask that you follow me on YouTube, subscribe to my channel so that way when I post new material all about local business or small business digital marketing, you'll be the first to know and you'll be the first to implement it. Now, earlier this year, I created a guide, Promoting Your Passion Project Online, Guide 1. And this guide essentially is for anybody who wants to take their side hustle or passion project to the next level and they're not really sure where to begin. And quite frankly, right now is the absolute best time for you to do that. This wretched virus is changing the landscape for a lot of people, and a lot of people are wanting to take their passion project or side hustle to the next level, and this guide is the best place to start. You can get this on my website, and it's the complete framework of what I do for any local or small business, or even a national business. If you're not ready to invest in a website, no problem. This guide will help you choose a free website and how to get started in the right place. If you are ready to invest in a website, I give you some great websites that are a good choice for you to invest into. But the thing that people don't talk about at all when starting your passion project or side hustle online is that you need a Google My Business listing. And Google My Business is one of the best ways to generate leads to get your business found online, and when it works with a great website, you can really do powerful things. And then I talk about the third thing that every business should have, and that's an audience connector, which is essentially anything an audience or anything a business does to reach out to an audience other than their website and their Google My Business. So typical audience connectors are like email marketing, social media marketing, direct mail marketing, and things of that nature. And in this guide, I help you get started at the right pace and the right momentum. Whenever you're looking at like the huge big picture, it's like, oh my gosh, like where do I begin? Like, do I need a TikTok? Do I need a YouTube? Do I need this? Do I need that? And it can get really overwhelming. And I know that firsthand when I first started in the digital marketing space. So you can get this guide on my website. It's so free. I don't even ask for your email address. I do ask that you subscribe to this channel and you watch all my videos and interact with me and all that stuff, because I'm on a mission to bring my personal brand to the internet. I'm a little bit behind. That's a different topic, but I essentially want to help as many local and small business owners everywhere launch their passion project online and make money doing what they love to do the most. So this is what that guide will do for you. It's about 13 or 14 pages, and like I said, it's like super free. I don't even ask for your email address, and it's the framework that I use for every local or small business. I talk about what you need if you don't want to invest in a website. If you do want to invest in a website, I even give you some tips for email marketing to get you started in that direction for email marketing. And I even tell you what you should have on your website in the very beginning. So this will be the best place to start and to get you on the right path without feeling like overwhelmed and without missing a beat, because in the beginning of starting your business online is essentially the most important, because you're starting to build that footprint online. So you want that footprint to be a good first step. So thanks again for watching this video. I'm so glad you found this video. And like I said, this guide is completely free on my website. I don't even ask for email address, but I do kindly ask that you follow me on YouTube and subscribe to my channel, and that you join my email community, because I have so much free digital marketing advice, and all I want to do is help people take their passion project online. So thanks again for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.